Welcome to Yankees You Ship It, We Fix It, LLC. Personal computers, fixed. Cable TV boxes, fixed. Laptop PC, fixed.
See you in hell.
Monitors, fixed. GPUs, oh yeah, you know we fix them. At Yankees You Ship It, We Fix It, LLC, we fix your ship, brother. Before using Yankees You Ship It, We Fix It, consult an IT professional. Possible side effects include board damage, incorrect item return, constipation, red eyes, sleepless nights. Do not try any of this at home. All stunts were performed by a professional idiot. All opinions expressed in this video are those of Yankee and Yankee You Ship It, We Fix It, LLC, and should not be considered financial advice. Oh yeah, we're just getting started, folks.
Now, Henry, we talked about this. Henry, we talked about this. You said you wouldn't pick on me anymore. And Dorothy, listen, I don't want any trouble with you either. She's swimming over here. She's about to kick my ass. Go on. Go on. Yeah. Oh, you son of a... I will break your goddamn neck. Look at him. He don't like me. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Today we are going to open up Red Pandas iBelink and see if we can figure out what's going on, and see if it's just the power supply that's causing us trouble. So let's get into it. Open up these screws here. Oh, hello. Looks like we got one more screw up here. All right. How's that hold on to there? Looks like that right there. Oh wow. Oh wow. So if you can see in there, it looks as though it's two bus bars directly connected in there. Interesting. can see here, there was these buses right there, and it looks like these cables, oh okay, that's just another power, but that's coming off of there. So looks like this is a 12 volt because it's yellow, this is red, so what's that mean, 5 volts? No, it's still 12 volt. You can see right there, it actually says 12 volt. So not sure exactly what's going on there. These big American Freedom hands don't fit in there that well, you know what I mean, brother? Alright, so we got it open, and you can see here, there's the front control board. The power supply itself has 2 screws right there that we took out of it, and it has these 2 bus bars right here, contact bars, which that's sketchy as hell. So sketchy. No wonder this thing fried. You can actually see there, it looks burnt a little bit down in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's not focusing. Hold on, maybe my lens is dirty. See if it'll focus on it now. Nope. It wants to focus on that shiny. But it's actually a little bit burnt down in there. I'm going to go ahead and take off this contact right here. Oh yeah, that does not feel good. Oh yeah. Oh boy, Red Panda. I don't know if you can see that or not, but she is burnt like a potato. Get some light on there. She looks like it's either gunky or burnt. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for today. I'm going to go ahead and send Red Panda the part number for the power supply if he wants to try to get one of those. I also sent him some close-up pictures of the contacts in there where it looks like they might be burnt out. This fan's busted, so I'll let him know about that. So it may have been a casualty to the shipping. So that is going to be it. The iBelink looks to be dead in the water, but we'll see. We have lots more to do, so we'll catch you on the next video. See ya. Well guys, I think I finally figured out who my dislikes are on my video. It's this asshole right here, Henry. He's mean today. I don't know what his problem is. Bye, jerk. See you later. Look at him. He still wants to like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.